How to create a portfolio on Behance. Hi there, today we will be learning about how you will be able to create a portfolio on this platform. This actually is an online community that showcases and promotes creative work in various fields, primarily focused on visual arts and design. It serves as a platform for artists, designers, photographers, illustrators, and other creative professionals to showcase their portfolios, gain exposure, and connect with potential clients, collaborators, and employers. So for you to begin, what you can do is sign in into your Behance account, and you first thing that they will ask you is that they will ask for topics on what you love so that they will be able to suggest templates or other creatives as well that are in line or has the same interest as you are. So here you can click on continue, and then they will be loading up your feed so that they will actually recommend works of other creators as well, depending on what you like. Since you mentioned about design or fine arts and photography, most of these recommended or feeds that they will be providing you are actually based on your interest as well. So you can actually view more premium content from other um, users or other account where you can actually subscribe. Some of them requires a payment for subscription, but some of them are just for free, just to showcase or just for them to show their artwork to other creators as well that has the same interest as they are. So here you can actually browse into a lot of examples. So for example, here these are some of the examples. So on the top corner of the screen, you'll actually see that there is a discover option. So you can actually look into the best works that are created here on Behance. So here you can go to live. These are some of the workshops or videos that would help you, or um, tutorials that would help you create stunning images or edit images like these one. And here as well, where you can click on hire, you can actually look into different accounts here where you can hire them depending on what project you are working on. So you can either use freelance or full time here, and you have also an option to filter the results depending on what type of work or what type of skill you are looking for. So here you can look into what payments, and you can also filter as well the creative fields that you want that specific creator to have. And then here you can click on location. You can also modify what's cool, but and tools as well that they are capable or that they are comfortable using. And here are some of the results where you can actually click on follow, and then you just click on hire. But in order for you to start creating your own profile here, like these people, is that you click on your profile icon just right beside the bell icon, and this is where you will be able to edit your profile. Either you can just click on the button or blue button on the left side panel to click on edit profile, or you can also try creating your profile here in Adobe Portfolio. Here you can add a banner. You can also add your profile picture, and here we will try to use the Adobe Portfolio in creating our portfolio here for Behance. So once you click on that button, it will actually route you to another page here that will route you to portfolio.adobe.com, and it will provide you here different templates that you can use for your portfolio. So depending on what type of theme you're looking for, you can actually look into all of these templates that they are offering you so that you can use that on to your Behance account. So here, let's say we will use this month as Heinrich or Matthias theme, then you can actually preview before using. So you can just click on use theme on the upper right corner of the screen and you just wait for it to load. And here you'll be routed into this page. This is where you will be able to add page, add images, add integrations, and also modify the theme. So here you can add a new page depending on what type of page you want to showcase. And then once done, you can name the page and then just click on create page. From here, what you can do is that with the page that you created, you can actually start building it by adding text, adding images, or adding a layout. For example, you wish to add an image here or all of your works. So you can just upload files or you can actually use your Adobe Lightroom account here. And if you do have a lot of work there, you can actually import that here as well on Adobe Portfolio. So let's say we will be importing this images here. And then once fully uploaded, it will automatically upload or layout here into your portfolio here, and you can actually edit the grid as well. So you can actually modify the gutter, the spaces in between the images. You can modify the width of the images. You can modify the columns and how many columns you'd like to showcase per line. And you can even add the space above, the space below, and a lot more. So once done, you can actually go back into the clicking into the arrow here on the upper right or left corner of the screen, and then you will be able to set up a lot more details for your the portfolio that you will use later on into your Behance account. So you just click on it, so you can actually go to now that you have your works um, onto your portfolio, you can actually browse into the tools that you can use here on the left side panel and integrate that here into your um, portfolio. So here you can look into contacts. This is how it would look like. So you can actually, or your clients or your potential clients can fill out the name, their email address, and a message. So if in case they're interested with your work, they can actually leave you a message and submit. And once they submit it, they will actually send it to you. And you can actually communicate or reach out to your clients from there. So this is how it will look like. But you can actually, or you can simply modify that here on the left side panel of the screen if there's some parts that you want to change, like the font or the color of the background. You can definitely modify that here as well. So here you can actually click into a specific part of the portfolio, and if you want to edit that, you can actually look into themes if you want to change it or switch it to other themes aside from Matthias. And here you can actually change the background colors and the font styles on the left side panel, where you can either simply choose on the dark theme or a light theme. And you can even choose what font will be used here into your portfolio. So if this is for professional use, I would suggest a simpler fonts. So you just need to keep it simple so that your clients would be more focused on your works that you are showcasing here on your portfolio. So here you can actually modify as well the change. If you're not comfortable with using the black or white, you can actually use other themes. So let's say you already have a brand and you want to use the color or the themes that you are using into your brand, you can definitely modify that here, or you can actually just input the code of your color or your brand color. So once you're done, what you can do is you can just simply go back and then to the homepage, or you can also upload images as well if you want the background to be a specific image that you'd like. So here under website container, you can actually modify the layout options, and under media content styles, you will be able to incorporate other sections of your portfolio like a photo grid, an audio, the video. You can even add the logo. So if you don't want to include the logo here, you can actually simply just toggle it on and off. And if you don't want the footer included, you can just toggle these buttons as well. So here you can actually edit the page info, you can edit the page background, container. You can simply just browse into all these tools that you can use that would definitely help you as well in creating your portfolio here on Behance. So here, when you click on preview, you actually have the option to preview your portfolio using your a desktop, using a tablet or mobile phone. You can actually use a mobile phone on a landscape format or a tablet on a landscape format. And once done, you can actually just click on publish site. And then here you actually need to upgrade into these subscriptions or into these plans so that you will be able to create your own portfolio using the Bay portfolio here. So it actually has different options here, and then you can have a package as well with the Creative Cloud. And once you have purchased one, you can actually proceed. Or if you just want to start creating your portfolio here in Behance, you can actually just click on the banner and you can choose an image into your files on what type of image you want to incorporate, either your best artwork that you created or the latest artwork that you created. You can actually input that into your banner, or you can actually just collage all of the works that you have done into your banner as well, so that when your clients will be opening your profile, they will be able to see your works on the banner that you created. So aside from that, you can also set up your profile picture as well so that they will be able to know on who they are working with, and you can actually add as well your details here, like what are your works, what are the services you offer, what are your live streams or your mood boards, your insights, and you can actually look into your drafts as well here. So you can actually click on edit profile, and this is where you can input more details about your work. So you can actually incorporate as well or link into your social media accounts like Twitter, LinkedIn, Dribble, and then you can actually add as well here informations about you and about your work and as a designer. Here on the left side panel, you can actually look into or different informations that you can fill out or update so that whenever you have a client that's interested with your skills or work, they can easily reach you out with the details that you incorporated here into your Behance portfolio. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.